Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find Binance listing before it is live. So first step is to launch the official launchpad or launch pool. So the Binance launchpad and launch pool are the most official pre-listing announcements. So their tokens featured here are guaranteed to be listed afterward. So you just have to regularly check the dedicated section in the Binance application or website. So this is the safest early signal. Second is the social media and blog feeds. So official listing news is often first published on the Binance blog and their official X or Twitter accounts. So using a quick alert systems for these accounts give you an edge. So what you're going to do is set up notification for Binance and the Binance announcements Telegram channel. So just a warning to never trust unofficial accounts or screenshots and always verify the source. Next is the on-chain deposit tracking. So before listing, Binance needs to transfer a significant amount of the token to their public wallets. So this activity is visible on block explorers like Etherscan or BSC Scan. So what you're going to do is monitor large coordinated transfers of a specific token into known Binance deposit wallets. So tools that track large exchange inflows can help here. Next is technical API and code scans. So for institutional traders, a new coin symbol is often added to the Binance API endpoints or their GitHub documentation hours before the public announcements. So what you're going to do is use specialized tools or scripts to continuously query the Binance Exchange Info API or API v3. So you're just going to copy this for new symbol additions rather. So this method is highly technical and usually requires programming knowledge to automate. Lastly is confirmation and risk management. So no single signal is definitive. So the best approach is to cross-reference multiple signs, like for example, social buzz plus on-chain movement to increase confidence. So just remember that pre-listing trading is extremely volatile. So always apply strict risk management and only invest capital that you can afford to lose. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!